Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be all about Toledo Jeep Fest. Woo! Hope you guys enjoy. See what's around. So we're here at the Monroe Off-Road Superstore. It's supposed to be the beginning and kickoff to Toledo Jeep Fest. It's some sort of Jeep Chrysler Dodge dealership. Looks like they've got some vendors here with some tents set up. Bunch of Jeeps showing up now too. The first Toledo Jeep Fest was held in 2016 and brought approximately 40,000 people to downtown Toledo. This was the most for any event since the end of World War II. From 2018 to 2022, the event brought in more than 60,000 people each year from all over the world. The estimated economic impact for the 2022 event was $5.1 million. The event takes place annually to celebrate decades of Jeep's partnership with the city, as it's the location where the Jeep Wrangler and Gladiator are assembled and distributed to the world.
Are you getting new tires? You're awfully red, mister. You're awfully red. Yeah. We gotta go find you a hat. Yeah, I know we do. Come on. Come on.
Oh my goodness, look at this. Look at this.
Well, we don't need help.
Get out of the way.
Off I go.
Hey baby, left side.
Awesome. Okay, come on. Boop. Come on. Come on. Hot.
Say hi, Bobby. Hi.
Alright, we're about to go and do the obstacle course. See how it goes. Chrysler Jeep plant in Toledo, Ohio. This is where my Jeep was made. Probably sat for months. Dave, take your pick, bro. AIE.
Hi. Yes, exactly. Are we taking the diaper back?
I got it.
You got the button. I didn't know if we needed food or anything.
It's already all been.
Where's Sal?
I think at concert said you can only bring in clear bags.
Oh yeah. You
Good morning.
Good morning.
We're headed down to go see Aspen. He stayed with my parents and my Aunt Sally last night in their hotel room, so we're gonna go see him first thing this morning, and then we're gonna get some breakfast, go grab the Jeeps, and then
Go to the parade.
yeah, Toledo Jeep Fest parade. So here we go.
Don't knock.
Good morning, Dad. Look at that red mark on his face. Good morning. Alright, here we are, Toledo Jeep Fest. We're at the parade. It's Dave and Jen. What's up, dude? So, we're about to walk around, see if we can find some half doors. Jen doesn't think that half doors make any sense.
It looks like it's just got the windows rolled down.
It's more than that. We're gonna find some half doors so we can show Jen in person.
Prove me wrong.
Alright. We're on a mission to prove Jen wrong. Did my wife come? Where's my wife?
Here she comes.
You gonna say something cool?
Say something cool.
I said, you gonna say something cool? She says, say something cool.
Yeah, we lost Dave now.
Oh shit. Dave! Scott! His horn goes off.
Yes.
I found the Cookie Monster. Oh, he's up here. I think. Is that him? No.
Nope.
It looked like his shirt. Dang it, Dave. I need his rack. I can stand on top of it and find him. Okay, we lost Dave.
We lose Dave.
I thought we lost you, now we lost Dave. Oh, he's right here. Found him. Got him. Hey! There he is. Go around the backside, babe. There he is. Honey, we thought you were
Ping you on
gone.
your app and make it go beep beep. Find where you were.
When you hear a man go, ah!
All right.
Half doors.
Half doors.
Half doors.
Half doors. Half doors.
Right here, half doors. No, that don't work.
Okay. Half doors.
Yeah.
Half doors.
Okay, when it drives by, it looks like you're just driving with your windows down.
But when you
I agree with it.
here, let's go to the other side and we can compare. To the Cookie Monster.
Look, Cookie Monster again.
So you have this, and you have all this, and all this, blocking.
Okay,
It's
usually you
real.
wouldn't have like this piece.
You wouldn't because this is a soft top,
Oh, yeah.
so you wouldn't have any of this in the
I
way.
get what you're saying,
I agree
but
with
if
you.
you're driving by me,
just looking.
I'm just going, they have their windows down.
I'm saying I don't care about what other people think of sync. Right, for your uppers. Yeah. Like when you're sitting there going down the road.
Don't touch that lady's Jeep.
I'm giving it the experience. Well, oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah,
It's
don't
just-
do that.
I know. You just have your arm rested on there, and then it's different.
I just do this and like.
That aren't put on.
I got
Sitting there for 4 months.
I got him.
What?
Whoa! Look in the Cookie Monster. There's a baby Cookie Monster. It says on the side.
Oh,
Baby Cookie Monster.
that is awesome.
It's wrapped too.
That's cool.
Well, yeah. It's for a grandkid or kid.
Did we lose Dave again?
No, he's right here.
Okay.
Always. There. No, you're about
Oh my God! And the lights. I love it. Where did he go? Oh yeah, we were checking out the baby Cookie
I love the
Monster.
baby one. Yeah, that's adorable. Now you gotta wrap Aspen.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's on the right. Yep, right side with the cookie.
Yep.
Yeah,
We saw you at Monroe yesterday.
Oh, okay.
I didn't see the baby Cookie Monster
No,
yesterday though.
that's pretty Look at all this empty space, man.
Yeah, for real. Why aren't we filling this up? So what we're here for is the parade. This is where This is where everybody's lining up, getting ready for the parade. This is the staging area.
Staging area.
Where are we at? What is this place called?
This is the event center.
Corning.
Cornish game hen?
Owens Corning
Owens
Yes,
Corning.
it's a chicken
Event
event.
center.
Yeah, event.
Of some sort.
Yeah.
But it is Owens Corning.
Yeah. Jeeps everywhere, as far as you can see them.
Some with half doors.
Some with half doors.
Half doors.
Some with full
windows.
doors.
Some with windows down.
Whoa, that's a weird concept. Alright, we're here at the Jeep logo sign. How cool is that? What you doing, Dave?
Well, we're gonna get our picture taken.
Dang!